Hi everybody, long time no see. It's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back to start our April budget videos. We have some changes coming up as per usual in April, but they're good changes. So I'll talk, well, not in April, in May, because April is a 3-check month for me. And usually I use that third paycheck to add to my savings and to add to a debt payment. But I've decided to make a different choice this time because I have a mortgage now, and the way I've been covering that so far has been taking money from a second account and putting it into one of my other accounts that I use for basically all of my bills. And it's a hassle because I'm constantly having to go and transfer money over and go to the bank and do this and do that. But I was like, I wonder if my paycheck will be enough to cover if I want to just keep all the money in one account and not have to do the transfers, and if I switch some of the bills and the payments that I make from that account to my other account, that I won't have to do that anymore. And I think I'll be able to make that happen. So in in May, I'll actually start having to do budgets for each one of these accounts. So that's going to be new. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be fun, but it's going to be a lot easier on me for being able to actually follow through and get my stuff done. Also in May, there may have to be some changes because student loans might be due, and so I'll have to change my budget around to pay for student loans if that is the case. So April, we're going to roll through, and then we're going to get to May, and we're going to see what happens, y'all. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in just 1 minute to close out our March paycheck to budget. Okay, you all can actually see all of my messy notes because I pulled up my camera just a little bit, just to make it easier for me. But this is how I actually go through and put all of my budgeting things together. So we had $11 for Amazon Kindle, $300 for our envelopes. I did not have to change how much I'm putting away for gas, and I'm very excited about that. Gas has finally started to go back down. $262 for sinking funds, $14 for student loans. Lawn service was $0. AT&T was $70.98. Geico was $182.58. T-Mobile was $180.93. Gym was $10.81. Netflix was $16.77. Home maintenance was $60, and this is an account that I put into with the bank. Emergency was $100. This is another account transfer. We had $88 for waxing, which I stuck up here, so that still stays there. Visa was $176. NTTA was actually $0, so I guess I didn't go anywhere, or wherever I went I didn't have to use the toll, so that was nice. Amazon Music got $9. Cushion was $10. Giving was $10. Date was $95. Total was $95.83, which means I was over, which we'll talk about that at another date because that one is really a little high. Security savings got it $60. Home got $10. Car got $10. New car got $5. And then let's add them up together, which I don't have anything to add them with. I'll be right back. Okay, let's get this calculator going. Alrighty, so what we have now is, let's add all this together. 11 plus 300 plus 262 plus 14 plus 0 plus 70.98 plus 182.58 plus 180, 180, 80, 93 cents, $10.81, $16.77, 60, 100, 88, 176, 0, 9, 10, 10, 95.83, 60, 10, 10, 5, 1682. Let me check, make sure that's right. I have 1682 on here, and on mine I had, oh, plus, ooh, missed that one. Disney Plus, because I got that. 8.63. All right, let's go back there and make sure that's right. So we had the $11. I wonder if I had not done the $11 for Amazon Kindle. I think I didn't. Okay, so that's good to know. Okay, so 11, 300, 262, 14, 79, 182, 180, 10, 16, 60, 100, 176. There we go. Okay, 9, 10, 10, 95, 60, 10, 10, 5. We already done the 88, and then we have the 8. One more. Plus 8.63. That leaves us with 1691.53. Clear that out now. Our total was clear. 1798 minus 1691. That leaves us with 107. All right, so then we pull that over. And, oopsie, okay. We did out of a total of, I took out some to pay for some Amazon, for some Visa, for some things like that, and that left us with a total of $43. And so we're gonna do debit 20%, 20%, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 5. Oh, we don't do stocks. 10 or 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Oh, I'm missing one. Let me see. Okay, debt. Oh, it's house debt. Okay. House debt. I didn't realize I'd already has these done. So this should be 5% and this should be 20%. Okay, there we go. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. Perfect. And so now we just have to have our 43 for that. So that's 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Alrighty. So once we get this done, that will empty that out and we'll be ready to clear our budget. So I will actually be doing the cash stuffing in the next video because that can take a long time and I don't like to run these over 10 minutes. So I will see you all in our next video to do our cash stuffing. Thanks for watching. Bye.